Good evening. If you want to live your life you love or you're passionate about, you have to take chances. No other go. Come out of the fear. Don't live your life thinking of what could happen next. Just live this moment. Let it happen. We can think about it. It's okay to get scared, but don't live in fear. See, if you want to design the best version of your life, you have to be mentally strong and confident. But out of fear and anxiety, we cannot do anything. So fear can also, renamed as interfere, because it is constantly interfering in our life to get what we want. There's a small story called Dope on the Rope. So once there was a criminal who committed a crime, and he was taken to the king for his punishment. So the king gave him 2 chances. So he could be hung by the rope, or he could be taken behind the big, dark, scary, mysterious door. Without the second thought, the guy chose the first option, the rope. And he was taken, and out of curiosity, when the noose was around his neck, he asked the king, "Could you please tell me what's behind the door?" The king laughed. He said, "It's funny. For everyone I give the offer, but everyone choose only the rope." So the guy, again the criminal, so he asked the king again, "Please let me know." Just pointing out the noose around his neck, he was asking, "I won't go and tell anyone. Could you please let me know what's behind the door?" The king paused and then answered, "Freedom." But everyone seems to choose the familiar one, but nobody was, they were courageous to take the option of the unknown. So what it shows, we always cling to the familiar problems. We don't want to take risk and check out what is there out of the limit. So if we wanted to live the best out of our life, just move ahead. Go and check what is there. Take risk, take chances. There is nothing called winning or losing. The only thing is how we are going and taking the risk. Take the chances. Trust God and go for it. Just overcome the fear. Fear is a word. It's a 4-letter word. That's it, right? So it's all about the mindset. So how we are, overcoming the situation. So we are letting in the fear. If you are not going to let in, and if you are going to stop it, it's going to move. Simple. So stay happy and take, courageous chances in your life, and you can be happy ever. Spread love and happiness. Stay blessed. Love yourself more crazily, and just throw the fear out of you. Om Shanti.